Have you been told that cracking knuckles can give you arthritis? Turns out it's just a myth. The cracking sound doesn't come from your bones grinding. It's actually tiny bubbles in your joint fluid collapsing when you stretch or bend your fingers. Researchers, including one man who cracked the knuckles on only one hand for over 50 years, found no difference in arthritis risk between his hands, so cracking your knuckles won't cause arthritis. However, there's a catch. If you crack your knuckles excessively, you might experience temporary swelling or reduced grip strength over time. This is usually due to repeated stretching of ligaments, not joint damage. And if you hear pain or notice swelling that doesn't go away, it could be a sign of an underlying injury, not the cracking itself. So, feel free to crack them occasionally, but maybe don't turn it into a nervous habit. Your joints will thank you.